"52 degrees. Happy girls." This one was empty. Look at that. And that's what you want to see on a warm day when you come out and check your bees. I have another one up front here I'm kind of curious about. Yeah, my bee yard's a mess. Oh, look at that. Is that a piece of fondant paper I just seen come out? That's funny. So, hello folks, Jason Chrisman, JC's Bees, your Central Ohio beekeeper. Let's see, I've been doing this since 2009. I've been making beekeeping videos, and most of them are about beekeeping anyway. And you know, I got into this routine a few years ago where I was doing videos every Sunday, and I really enjoyed it, and I miss it. But recently, it seems like I've been falling off the ball a little bit. I ain't been making that every Sunday deadline, and I apologize for that. Farm life gets busy, and I gotta either judge putting something off I should be doing on the farm so I can make a video, or go do the task on the farm. And that's where all my attention's been here recently, and I want to talk a little bit about that today, and give you some updates on my beekeeping book, and that'll probably be about it for today, really. Farm life, always something to do, and it never fails. On top of having stuff to do every day, that stuff breaks. And that's what I've been dealing with a lot here recently. So I went to feed the cows the other day in the tractor, and I get about halfway back across the farm, and I've got a bale on the front of the tractor and a bale on the back of the tractor on the spears. Round bales. These are probably 900-pound bales. And I come to a gate that I got to open, and so I put the tractor in park and I hop out, and I don't usually get out this particular side of the tractor, but for some reason this day I did. And when I did, I looked over at the arm on the loader on the tractor, and I noticed a crack in the steel. Ooh, you know, that's got 900 pounds on it. So after I opened the gate, first thing I did was I dropped the bale to the ground and hopped back out to see if the weld had changed any. Did it close up? How crucial is this? And nothing changed. I lifted the bale back up. The gap didn't get any wider or anything, so I proceeded, went and fed the bale. Actually used it for a few more days just as it was, and then I had some good friends on Facebook encourage me that I probably had the skills and the tools to fix it myself. And you know, I'm not definitely not a certified welder, but I think we're going on about a week and a half now, and I've had to lifted, because I'm moving hay around the farm right now and placing it in different pastures. I've probably lifted a good 35 bales with it so far, and it's holding up great. So it's not the prettiest weld in the world, but got that task dealt with. Well, as I'm dealing with this, I'm watching our hydraulic cylinder on the loader that used to be just a drip turn into a stream, about 3 or 4 different streams dripping, running all the time. And I'm like, this is not good. I've got more hay to move. I need the tractor. So I went to the school of YouTube and watched a couple videos, and I found one that taught me everything I needed to know. So just this week, I tore the hydraulic cylinder apart on our tractor and replaced the seals. I also made a video of me doing that if that's something you're interested in. I released it over on my farm channel. I'll leave the link for that down in the video description, and if I remember, I'll pin it to the top comment so you can go over and check it out. It was actually pretty easy. It took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do it, but man, I was nervous about it because I need the tractor every day. So to not have it every day to feed the cows means I got to think ahead. So before I tore the cylinder apart, what I did was I went and placed bales in different pastures. So all I had to do each day was move the cows to a different pasture if I didn't get the tractor fixed. But luckily, within a couple hours, it was back up, and the seals are now not leaking, and life is good. So It's just been one thing after another though, between the crack in the loader that I had to fix, the cylinder, and then battling neating the tractor every day. I got loads of hay coming in. We're trying to get all of our hay in before it gets super muddy, and it's stressful. So I guess that's where all my time has been, dealing with the tractor, hay deliveries, and just trying to get the farm prepared to go into winter. And then at the same time, we're getting ready to ban this year's bull calves, hopefully in the next couple